Welcome back. BJP claims Sri Ram Sene cannot be banned by any government. There is no law to ban any organization. BJP has ridiculed opposition party for its poor performance during latest session. BJP spokesperson Wilfred Mesquita claimed that opposition party played poor role in the assembly, while some independent MLAs made personal attack for the sake of publicity. Party says Goa can't ban liquor like Kerala. Drinking is part of Goan culture. BJP claims that Sri Ram Sene cannot be banned in the state. There is no law to ban any organization.
If there is a law in the state wherein you can ban an organization, please tell me and I will see to it that our government implements it. So till today there is no law, and therefore this 144 was introduced as a preventive measure against this gentleman. Now, Shantaram Naik is an advocate of illegalities, not of legalities. Otherwise, he would not have spoken this.
BJP applauded its own ruling legislators for performance in the latest assembly session. Party spokesperson Dr. Wilfred Mesquita slammed Congress party MLAs and some independent MLAs for personal attacks on the ministers.
The performance of this opposition has only aroused pity and contempt. They were mostly interested in personal attacks. And personal attacks also, it was just for public consumption.
Speaking on banning alcohol in Kerala, BJP said prohibition or ban on alcohol in Goa is not possible as drinking is the Goan culture.
Cannot come and should not come. Why does it? Because Goa's culture is to drink. Goa's drink is a part of the culture. Any wedding, anything, they drink.
Reporter Mahesh Gadi with video journalist Dinesh Karpe for Prudent. It is revealed that most of the fake certificates were used for seeking public transport driving license. Crime Branch has burst fake certificate racket on Thursday. Sources also informed that one of the accused had printed his own educational certificate. Crime Branch has taken 4 days remand for all 3 accused.
Crime Branch had busted a gang of boys who were allegedly involved in providing fake certificates. According to the sources, 3 accused were printing fake educational certificates of Goa Board and Goa University from last 1.5 years. Accused Sunny Kalangutkar is the mastermind. He was printing fake certificates at Mapsa Cyber Cafe, which is located opposite to Mapsa police station. Earlier, he was working at the same cyber cafe. Another 2 accused, Akshay Shirodkar and Sohan Patre, were doing job of hunting the customers who were in need of fake educational certificates. Sources informed that accused were charging 15,000 to 1 lakh rupees for each fake certificate. They were printing SSC, HSSC and third-year educational certificates of different educational institutions. Sources informed that one of the accused printed his own fake educational certificate. Police have taken 3 accused on 4 days remand. Most of the certificates were used to obtain public transport license. They have not maintained any record of the people. Crime Branch has got 4 days remand of the 3 accused. Reporter Mahesh Gadi for Prudent.
Employment opportunities in urban areas are widening, a rural-urban divide leading to migration. A trend clearly visible in the latest economic census of Goa. 6th census indicates rise of 32% in the number of establishments in the state. Of these, 77% rise in urban areas and 12% decrease in the rural areas. Similarly, percentage of hired workers in urban areas increased up to 59%, while rural Goa witnessed a fall of 32.85%. The economic census was released on Friday.
Directorate of Planning, Statistics and Evaluation has released an economic census on number of establishments and workers in the state. According to 6th economic census of Goa, total number of establishments in Goa have increased by 32.89%. Urban areas are showing a 77.6% rise, while rural areas witness a 12.6% fall. Total number of hired workers in all establishments have overall increased by 19%. In urban areas, number of hired workers show a rise of 59.38% and 32.85% fall in rural areas. Total number of male hired workers have increased by 15.31%. In urban areas, male hired workers have increased to 54.19%, while 33.97% fall in rural areas. female hired workers have increased by 29.24% in the state. In urban areas, the number increased by 74.49% and fell by 29.66% in rural areas. Total number of non-hired workers in all establishments have seen a rise of 49%. In urban areas, it increased by 93.58%, but in rural areas only by 5.67%. Omkar Falari for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.